Hi guys! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a banner into your email in Aweber, which is an autoresponder and saves tons of times for people who's running businesses online. So my name is Erika Lindström and I work as a high-ticket affiliate, which basically means that I promote other companies' products and for that I get a commission. If you want to learn more about this, you can check out the links below. Now, let's head over to my screen and I'll show you how to do this. We are looking at Aweber, the autoresponder, which is basically helping me to sort my list with all the followers I have, and it knows what email each and every follower needs to have, depending on when they added on my list. I will leave a link below for Aweber if you want to have a great discount to start up this service yourself. But I'm here to help you understand how to add a banner into your message, your email. So let's go into messages. Go to drafts. And what I do, I create some templates for myself. So it will be very quick and easy for me to edit and write new letters because I do it almost every day. So this is one of the templates I have created. So what I do, I just do like a letter with the elements I want, for example, my signature and so on. And then I just save it like this. So what I do, I copy this one. Now I get two of these. I click on one of them. And here it is. So first I will give it a name. How to add a banner in Aweber. So then I just write my email for you here. And this is how you can add a banner super easy into your email. Follow up. And of course, you can edit the text and work with it as you want it to be. And let's say I want to add a banner. Excellent webinar from my mentor Stuart Ross. It's about how you can earn your first 10K online. And let's say I want it down here, or no, let's say I want it below this text in here, because I can have it in the middle of the text. I want it here. Okay, so now what I do, I look for this little button, and in English it says source. So I press this one, and you can see the text I just wrote here. So I know I want to go into below that text, and I need to find the code for the banner. So I go into my learning platform. This is the platform I have, and I joined the Six-Figure Mentors a few years ago, and they learned me how to set up my own online business and basically create an income from the internet 24 hours a day. So if you're interested in what the Six-Figure Mentors is all about, I will leave a link for you below, and I can send you some videos that will explain this. Okay, so now what I do, I go into Affiliate Tools and Resources where we have the banners. I click the banners, and I need to add a tracking code. Let's say Aweber banner test. I've done this once before. And I look for the banner I want to add. Let's say this one. I click on it, go up, and here I found the code. So I mark this code and I copy it. All of it. It's very important. Then I go back into here. So you remember I put my marker here below this text line. And now I just paste the code here. So let's see what happened. I press OK. And because I have this banner, this one will move down a little bit. So let's just see what happens if I remove this. Yes. Now you can see I have the banner in the middle of the text. I can also, of course, create a new segment. So I have, let's say I want it down here. I do a paragraph, press source again, and I paste the code. And now I have the banner down here. That's how easy it is. So if we preview and test this one, and always remember to send a test message for yourself when you create emails like this, and check the links that they are working. I send this test message for myself. I go into my inbox, and here is the email. So let's test this link. Yeah, I end up on the registration page for this brilliant webinar. And to check and make sure this is your affiliate link, which means that I will get the commission from people that sign in into this, I can see my name down here. So that's very important to know when you work as an affiliate online. So if you haven't watched this webinar and are eager to know how you also can earn your first $10,000 online, I will leave a link for you as well below this video, and check it out. It's with Stuart Ross. Stuart Ross is one of the co-founders of the Six Figure Mentors, and he's also my mentor, and he helped me to build my own business with this excellent education. So I hope this was valuable for you and learned how to add this banner into your email follow-up series. Please comment below if you like this video, or if there's something else you want me to show you how I do when I work online. And if you like the video, please remember to give me a thumb up. That would help me tremendously. So let's have a great day, and bye for now.